Keeping fit.
Turn it up and then expose it. Open the rhythm, cause them can't close it. Freeze it, make the girl them hold up, hold hands up, make the ceiling roll up, roll out. Look, see the people jump up, move you like a Wii controller. Hit them with the bass, rewind and then mash up the place. Slow down and then pick up the pace.
We all want to remain fit and healthy. To keep our body fit, we must have a good routine. It includes good food, a balanced diet, exercise, rest and sleep. Good food. We eat food to grow. To remain healthy and to get energy. We eat different kinds of food. We get most of the food items from plants and animals. The food can be categorized into three main categories. Energy-giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. Energy-giving food. Energy-giving food gives us energy to work and play. Butter, cereals, rice, etc. are some of the energy-giving foods. Bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food helps us to grow. Milk, eggs, meat, fish, peas, pulses are some of the bodybuilding foods. Protective food. Protective foods keep us healthy and save us from diseases. Fruits and vegetables are some of the protective foods. Food habits. Take your food at the proper meal times. Do not eat in between meals. Do not eat in excess. Do not buy food from street vendors, as flies and mosquitoes carry germs and can make you sick. Use clean dishes, spoons, and glasses to eat your food. Wash your hands before and after eating. Chew your food well. balanced diet. A meal in which all the three types of food, that is, energy-giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food are present is known as balanced diet. Taking one kind of food does not keep us healthy. Taking junk food like noodles fills your stomach but do not keep you healthy. Exercise. Exercise keeps the body fit. It increases blood supply to the muscles. Thus, muscles become strong. It increases the capacity to do work. It makes us active and smart. Rest and sleep. We work all day. So we need to give rest to our body and mind. Rest relax the mind and body. It reduces the tension. Both rest and sleep makes the body and mind fresh. If proper rest is not taken, the capacity to do work decreases.